En mi bochen ngekot ebwe emweruk igere. Do you want God to lead you today during this time? Because we need God's Spirit to lead us, especially during this time. Iwe gaburin mi bochen ngekopo 100% sure gekot mi emweruk non eke fanson. Bij bereid iets naar boeken kun ven ruberi wu tiu ngeriagon. Na fase merga ere. He leads the humble in doing right. God a emweri ekoe irvi tipetekison nararaboferi metods mi boom. Sabasabra ere teaching them his way. So you see, God mi emweri ekoe irvi tipetekison. Iwe apa teach them his own ways. God a emweri ekoe irvi tipetekison. Apan eitigerir. Met wiets. Ako ways mi burinna robantori turfujin tapora burinnon. God a furrieke ngeri ekoe irvi tipetekison. Biben ere humble yourselves before the Lord and he will lift you up. So you see, God mi sinna every we strive out of barawari e barawen tipetekison. But Bible humble yourself as in megang Sipwe yate kiwesiya God kasi ko cerco humble me. No. Bible humble yourselves. Wherein we such Sipwe humble ourselves. Even no God I sinna ka Achoso ko po tipetekison mwen mesan iwerai epwe emruk porque se chiwet pusire kiega ami wai to refer I the kusen need ko tigere. See, that's pride nabarap tekia kara sokuregia ninu posibwe humble ourselves tipetekison we see we tiga you should to refer without God. Humble yourself, bow down. God, thank you. Thank you for Christ Jesus. Thank you for the finished work of Jesus on the cross. Thank you for his ways. I tifarifan, I digirigim, I put tipetekison, I put tong, I put girigiraj, I put forgive. Make us in the ways of Jesus. Nuposipo humble ourselves. God will teach us his ways. Isn't that wonderful? That is very wonderful. On the first era, the Lord leads with unfailing love. God am wirigits nge antong irigits ese or nemuchun. Am wirigits narantong ese or nemuchun. That is very encouraging. The Lord leads with unfailing love and faithfulness. God am wirigits with eusakutong eseor nemuchun hiwepan mi eruguruk ngirikits media pore ebo furry esedori an epwe atai irausun egot. The Lord leads with unfailing love and faithfulness all who keep his covenant and obey his demands. May si John rogorong ngiri arke kapas nugu arke kapas etiwa arke kapas iwepan furry metekoe apasa posible furry wewen ngesia humble ourselves siaruku non an kapas irigit siaruku arko kapas sia chochoria sibwe furry wet arko kapas era sibwe furry sia humble ourselves tipetekison taporoburin furry wet era sibwe furry pukite sia we tigi toge kits non Christ Jesus me pa we rapes. When we humble ourselves and do these things, God eporiwete an kapas. God eporiwete an pon esap negitikitsiro epoemwerikits narantong mi esior nemuchun pura esinna ngekits ekoch arvas. We humble ourselves before him and follow his ways. Iwehi epoemwerikits. Teaching us his own ways through his Spirit, because we believe non Christ Jesus. Isn't that wonderful? That the God of all things, humble ourselves,